Alright you guys, so today we're going to do that VTEC Solenoid Spool valve gasket. Mine's so old and I got to replace a couple tube seals, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to do a video for you guys. Not to mention it's been leaking for years now, so good time. So we'll come over to the passenger side behind the engine. You can see the connectors. There's one there. And there's one, another one back here somewhere, and then there's a clip here, so sorry for the breathing. And of course you guys obviously don't have to take off your valve cover like me. We're just doing a bunch of jobs at once here. But once you pull off those two plugs and the one clip holding the wiring, it should look like that. Now you can remove your cruise control servo module right here if you need to, like I did, just for more space, but you don't have to. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come up underneath the passenger side, and you can see the 3 bolts right there, right above the oil filter. I am going to show you how to do this without removing your oil filter. Just a 10 and a small extension. You should be able to reach everything without pulling the oil filter off. So here's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Want to come up under the lower control arm and you'll get enough leverage to crack all 3 of them loose. Take your time. Use your breaker bar too if you need to. So there it is. The wiring is just holding the part in, it's just resting against it now. I'm basically off there now. So yeah, I clearly removed the 3 bolts already. I need 2 hands for this, but I'm just gonna move it around the wire and pull it out. What's left of it. It broke off into 4 pieces. One, like it's so hard. Oh, look at this. Oh, here's another piece. Listen to that. I know it's winter, but damn, look at this. So now we're just gonna come in with our brake clean and clean out any little bit of crap that gasket may have left behind, all in the grooves there. Clean it up, make it nice, wipe it out, get it ready to go. So here's the part number for that gasket, and that's what it looks like, and it's really only one way to seat it in. You can't mess it up. So this is how it should look. Remember guys, buy the OEM gasket. Don't buy aftermarket, doesn't fit the same. It's bullshit. Alright, there's the 3 holes you put the bolts in. Alright, now brake clean again. We're going to clean the mating surfaces of where you took off the solenoid. Alright, don't forget that. Make sure you get all the gasket off. Now you guys obviously aren't going to see me put this thing back in because I need 2 hands to do it, but you can see the 3 bolts are already put in there. Basically you want to kind of just maneuver it up into the spot, make sure the gasket doesn't fall out, and you kind of want to let it rest there and slowly slip the 3 bolts in the slots. You can also use that wiring harness to hold the part in while you put the bolts in the slots. So now we're just going to come up to the top of the engine again and put every plug back in the slot. Now before I forget guys, you want to talk about torque and all that. I didn't torque them down to spec, you know me. But I'm pretty sure the torque spec for those bolts is like 7.5, 8 foot-pounds. But yeah guys, once you're done plugging these plugs in, you're pretty much done. That's the job guys, we'll see you. There you have it guys, that's the job. Hopefully that helped you guys out. If you dig it, subscribe, give me a like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.